Hi, I'm Dommenique DeVaughn, founder of Handle Professional Services, LLC. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Handled exists to empower underserved women, especially those re-entering the workforce after incarceration, caregiving, or long career gaps. We help women rebuild confidence, re-enter the workforce, and rise into purpose-driven careers and businesses. I know firsthand what it feels like to start over after life throws you a curveball. That's why this space exists. Here you'll find career coaching strategies, resume tips to boost confidence, re-entry and startup guidance, and real encouragement rooted in faith. Whether you're starting over or starting something new, you belong here. If you're an individual looking for your next step, or an organization ready to invest in untapped potential, this channel is for you. Book a call at www.handleprofessionalservices.com. The link is in my bio. Subscribe to stay connected. Let's rebuild together. Again, Handle Professional Services, LLC, helping women re-enter, rebuild, and rise.